Okay, here we go. First, food, solids. Okay, buddy. Oh. Wait. You're done? All done? You don't want to grab it out of Mama's hand like you did before? All done? Nope, nope. Then there we go. Okay, but don't choke on it. Is that good? Look at Mama. You got a little something on your... Yep. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Yum. Okay. Mama, I'm going to feed myself. I don't need this help.